Good morning, my dear students. This is my Shaileshri ma'am, your English subject teacher for grade 4. I'm taking the lesson, The Happy Valley, and my two classes I have done and completed the lesson, reading the lesson with the new words and understood the story of that lesson. Now, today's class, we are revising the summarization of that lesson and we are attending the comprehension questions on that lesson. So, let's start the class. Students, in Happy Valley, we have learned about Lepchas, a Lepcha community, and they were living in the Kanchanjunga Valley, and valley means, as I said, the land between the hills and the mountain often flows a river there. And Kanchanjunga Valley, that community, the Lepchas used to believe in the secret valley. What is that secret valley? Mile. They used to believe in a secret valley mile, and in that lesson, they the Sangha from the Lepcha community. He going for hunting. Actually, he was walking for a long way, and he saw some the in the river that is one leaves bark, golden kind of colors bark, and the leaves which is a needle like, it was floating on the river. Thinking that he felt maybe it's very unique and maybe it belongs to the Mile Valley, maybe Mile Valley here nearby. So he climbed that hill and after several days he climbed and reached the valley and he explored its beautiful, he explored that beautiful nature where that valley, and what he found is that people from there they're very different, and actually he realized and he came to know that the people of the valley morning they will be as small children, and in the midday they'll become adult, and at the night they'll become old, and again morning they'll become a small young, and this way they are living forever. And the old lady, whom receives him and feed food, she says after many days he was living there. She says, now you have to go back to your place because you are a very different person. We are different, so you cannot live here. So while going, she gives him a grain crops. She says that you sow this in your place so that your people, the community, never face any problems on food. And she also says that when you have to sow this, when the flock of white birds visit your place, you have to sow this. So he followed the same thing, and still the Lepcha community, they believes in that. They will go to the field when the white flocks of birds visit the places. This is a story about that. Student, I have showed you the picture how the people video how they lives there, what kind of people, how they speak, their lives, lifestyle, everything. Today, I'm going to show you some pictures. India is a diverse, different culture we lives in India, and that also we'll have a look with the PPT. We'll also have a look about some questions, comprehension question on lesson to check our understanding. Okay, I'm sharing my screen with you all. Yes, student. As that our lesson Happy Valley. See, fill in the concept a map, which when you see these people, as I said that, we different state, a different culture people lives in this India. When you see these people and the costume of them, the dressing style, what you can understand, which state they belong, which food they eat, which language they speak and dress. They are the Kashmirians, the Kashmiri people, Kashmir state. Their official language is Urdu. They like to eat rice, vegetables, non-vegetarian dishes, and the dress they call as a fehran. Okay. Now this dress you observe. Now they belong to West Bengal state. Bengali they speak, food they like is rice, vegetable and the fish. Dress sari, kurta, dhoti. Now these people, when you see, they belong to Kerala state. Official language is Malayalam. Food is rice, coconut, a seafood. A dress, a mundu, mundam, neriyatam. And this state, which place they belong, they are from Maharashtra. Marathi is official language. Food they eat is rice, wheat, vegetables. Dress dhoti, peta, nawari, sari, lugda. Now comprehension question on the lesson which we have finished. Now where do the lectures live? Where do lectures live, students? The lectures live on the Kanchenjunga slopes. Lectures lives on the Kanchenjunga slopes. What is Mile? Where is it situated? Mile is in a beautiful secret valley. It is situated high above the hill behind the Kanchenjunga. Who are believed in inhabited Mile? The ancestor of the Lepcha tribe are believed in inhabited Mile. Why can no one reach Mile? No one can reach Mile as a path towards it is protected by fierce demon. The passage is also blocked by a large heavy rock. The rock cannot be removed by any human. Why did the ancestors stop coming down to the valley of Lepcha? The ancestors stopped coming down to the Lepcha because they felt that the new generation of Lepchas was not virtuous enough. Now, there is a thumb up, a thumb down. When the sentence is correct, we are up. Take the green thumb up. When sentence is wrong, based on the lesson, we put our thumbs down, that is red. According to the Lepchas, Kanchenjunga is a scared abode of their ancestors. What do you feel? Is it a thumbs up or the thumbs down thing? Lepchas, Kanchenjunga is scared abode of their ancestors. Yes, I will check that. Now, Mile is a valley. Mile is protected by the gods. Lepcha is a name of tribe who lives on the slope of the Kanchenjunga. The ancestor felt that the new generation of Lepchas was not virtuous enough. The Lepchas were happy because the ancestors stopped coming down the valley. Now see, according to the Lepchas, Kanchenjunga is a scared abode of their ancestors. It's a wrong answer. Mile is a valley. Yes, correct answer. Mile is protected by the gods. No, it's a wrong answer. Lepcha is the name of the tribe who lives on the slope of Kanchenjunga. Yes, correct. The ancestors felt that the new generation of Lepchas was not virtuous enough. Yes, correct. The Lepchas were happy because the ancestors stopped coming down to the valley. Wrong. So now if you see the pictures, look at the images, identify the related words of the text box. Okay, what is this? House, that is on toy, demon kind of a toy, and the rock, and the valley, and the surface. What is abode means house. We have learned about it. Demons look like this, a valley, and the rock and unhappiness on the face. See the expressions. Now comprehension question for the next, coming to the next pages, page number 2 and 3. Who was Sangha? Sangha was a young lepcha. Where did he go hunting? He went hunting to far away forest. What did Sangha come across when he went hunting? Sangha came across river when he went hunting. What did Sangha notice on the river? Describe it. Sangha noticed a unique branch of a tree floating in the river. On the river, it had a beautiful green needle like leaves and golden bark. Where did Sangha reach after climbing from several days? Who opened the doors for Sangha? Sangha reached a beautiful valley named Mail. After climbing for several days, an old woman opened a door for Sangha. Why did Sangha soon fall asleep? Sangha soon fall asleep because he was tired after days of walking. How did Sangha wake up next morning? Sangha woke up next morning on hearing the voice of children. What did Sangha see after waking up? After waking up, Sangha saw that little boy and the girl were playing outside. What did Sangha ask the children? Sangha asked the children about the old couple. Who were the children whom Sangha met? The children whom Sangha met were some old couple whom he had met last evening. Describe what is a little girl told Sangha about their world. According to the little girl, there were children. In the morning, by midway, they become adult. At sunset, they become old. Thus, they are lived forever. How many days did Sangha spend in a mile? Sangha spent 7 happy days in mile. Why did the old woman tell Sangha to return to his village? The old woman told Sangha to return to his village because no ordinary person lived in a mile. What did the old woman give Sangha? What did she tell him after giving those things? The old woman gave Sangha different names. She told him to take those seeds to the village and the people who'd never lack food. She also said the villagers should sow the seeds once they see the flock of white birds sent by people of mile. So Lepchas live on the Kanchanajunga slopes. The dash of the Lepcha tribe believed in inhabited mile ancestors. The rock of the passage cannot be removed by any human. The elders stopped coming down to Bali because the Lepchas were not watchers enough. The branch of tree had a little dash of golden bark, a green needle like a leaves. Sangha met an old couple in the first hut of mile. Sangha met an old couple, okay? See the pictures, the difference between the lifestyle of the village child and the city child. Village child sit on the floor for lunch also, how the city people, the difference of people, how they live, their living style. Okay, student, here I am, stop screen of mine. And for you all, what I want to say that, go through the lesson, read it twice, understand better, recall all the questions we have discussed, and any doubt, let me ask in next class. Thank you for being with me. Take care of yourself. Bye, students.